Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be heading over to the National Farm Machinery Show over in Louisville, Kentucky. So it's just a short drive over there for us, about half an hour. We'll see what we can find. Me and Cody are going over there, so it's going to be a little bit later in the day by the time we get there, but we should be able to get through most of the show. So we'll see what we can find.
But X9 came out.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're here at the New Holland Combine. I mean, it's pretty clean, right? I mean, you can see it's a Brad clean combine. And Brad's like, it's used. So show them how you know it's used.
I found some dirt right here.
Of course.
And then I looked up and I seen up there's some dirt. So I guess they had trouble finding a new combine. Leave it to professional combine cleaner Brad.
They don't actually cut the corn, they just...
I guess it's high-speed disc is what that is.
I don't think there's any compaction at all. I don't know. I'm not the great primary.
No, just from over there back over here. Cody's in the new skid loader. It's got a leather seat.
It's got an actual backup camera.
Here.
It's got an actual backup camera. And then all this is a big screen now. That's all your controls. You can kind of see the seat. Definitely different than ours.
Something I noticed they've changed is here on the bottom on the linkage, hooking up to the front plate here. They've completely redid this, all the linkage and everything here. And the whole grader blade thing, it's got all hooked up. You can do grade control and whatnot.
The seat's actually super comfortable.
Yeah. So this is the S7 800, which is basically the exact same thing as the 780. We were going around trying to look for some kind of a difference between them, but we can't really find anything different. You know, some small minor stuff, and I know there's internal stuff that's a little bit different, but nothing major enough to make anything, you know, any kind of major difference. I think most of the differences between this one and the 780 you can actually put onto the 780, or you can actually change. That's why they've got some of the upgrade kits that they've came out with recently that you can put on the other combines that basically make it the exact same thing as an S7 800.
Pretty much just like it. A little bit better. thought it was. Sanding marks. It's awful.
August to August, it's seamless, precise, simple, future-proof.
The one that Cab lives up on?
It's hot.
And it's got a back. Heck of a rig.
For a cornet.
For a corner. Yeah. I got a Hudson 780.
It's a yellow. Here we go.
I'm due somebody kind of like. But have one of the probably Mexican.
Oh man.
No, it's fun stuff.
It is. The future, I would. All right, well, we made it back from the show. I tried to video as much as I could. We didn't end up getting through all the show. We didn't quite make it to the west wings and everything. You saw a video through there a little bit, but didn't get very much. So we kind of had to go. We had to pick up some stuff, and it was closing time. So anyways, we tried to video as much as we could, but we had to move through the show pretty quick in order to get through what we did. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe down below. Leave me a comment, and we'll see you in the next video.